Hello everyone, for today's video I just wanted to share with you how to remove and reinstall the middle row seat in your Honda Odyssey. This particular car is a Honda Odyssey 2007, so this is exactly the same for 2005 to 2010 Odyssey, but the procedure is also similar for earlier Honda and the later Honda. You probably just have a different look on the latch, but they all work the same. So before we get started, I ask that you help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and also make a comment down below if you have a better way of doing it, and share it with us. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. So if you look over here, you're going to see a latch right here. So this is the driver's side seat, okay? And the passenger side is gonna be seat right there, okay? And the middle, it's not gonna be under, but it's going to be right over there. So you just have to remove this, and you're gonna see the latch is right here, and this is the latch to fold it. Okay, so to remove the driver's side seat, all you need to do is pull this thing up, okay, and this thing is gonna fall down. Okay, so once you have this thing folded, next thing is, remember the latch that I showed you earlier? You just pull it and then lift the back of the seat up. Okay, so this seat is about 50 pounds or 60 pounds in weight. So if you're a stronger guy, you can easily pull it up. If not, then you want to go inside and pull it up, because this thing actually have an anchor that goes like this. So what I do is I basically just grab it like this and I just pull it up. Okay, now if you have the middle seat, what you need to do is remove the seat belt first. And to remove the seat belt, you want to use this buckle and basically just push it right here on the notch. Okay, and once you do that, you want to remove the seat cushion. Okay, so let me go remove this. So what you want to do is put this thing down. Okay, and right here you can just grab this and pull this thing up, the latch anchor, and you'll be able to brace it like that. Okay, next is you just want to pull it not all the way up, but slanted like this. Okay, so once you do that, you already have it out. Okay, and basically you just want to do the same thing on the other side. I just wanted to show this to you. You look over here, this is the anchor that goes to the front of the car, and when you pull the latch, this is the one that opens up. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.